Hey everyone, James Azar here. Good morning, happy Wednesday. It's hump day with your practitioner brief. You can get everything I talk about on today's practitioner brief on our website, cyberhubpodcast.com. Get our practitioner brief directly in your inbox daily, 11 a.m. EST, with everything you need on it. You can get it on our website even earlier by going to cyberhubpodcast.com. You can view our PDF, our posting, you can listen to our audio podcast, and you can watch us live on YouTube, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every single day. Make sure you subscribe, give us 5 stars. That's really important to help us continue to go up in our ratings because our viewership has been growing by over 100% week over week since we started the practitioner brief segment several months ago. So thank you for your support. It is greatly appreciated. Let's get into today's practitioner brief. It's a very, very busy one. Patch Tuesday was yesterday, in case you missed it, where 2 0 days are under active attack by Microsoft among 120 different bugs that have been patched. 2 Microsoft vulnerabilities are under active attack, according to the software giant's August Patch Tuesday security update. Patches for the flaws are available for the bugs, bringing this month total number of vulnerabilities to a whopping 120. One of the flaws being exploited in the wild is CVE 2020-1464, a Windows spoofing bug tied to the validation of file signatures on Windows 10, 7, and 8.1 and versions of Windows servers. It's rated important. The second 0 day is a remote code execution bug rated critical, which is tied to the Internet Explorer web browser, tracked as CVE 2020-1380. This is a scripting engine memory corruption problem. A successful hack gives the attacker same user rights as the current user, the company writes. Plenty more CVEs. Of the 120 bugs, 17 are critical, 103 are important, folks. Get to work, get to patching, get this on cyberhubpodcast.com. You're gonna want to get it there. A lot more. Let's continue with Patch Tuesday, where a critical Adobe Acrobat and Reader bug allows remote code execution. Adobe plugged 11 critical security holes in their Acrobat and Reader, which, if exploited, could allow attackers to remotely execute code or sidestep security features within the app. As part of the Patch Tuesday monthly update, yesterday Adobe fixed critical and important severity flaws tied to 26 different CVEs, all stemming from its popular Acrobat and Reader document management applications. As in one important severity CVE in Adobe Lightroom, which is its image manipulation software, Adobe said it is not aware of any exploits in the wild for the vulnerabilities addressed in the update. Plenty of CVEs here, all available on our PDF. I'm trying to keep this audio podcast under 5 minutes. Really trying. It's been hard this week. But make sure you go check them out. A lot of patches, a lot of different things. If you haven't set up your Adobe to automatically update within your company, you should. It's a really simple setting to do, but it's something where most of the time, unless it's a critical part of your development aspect, should be done automatically as well. Intel patches many privilege escalation vulnerabilities in their server boards. So Intel, who's been in the news not for good reasons over the last few weeks, continues with a CVE 2020-8708, a critical improper authentication issues that allows an authenticated attacker to elevate privileges via adjacent access, server boards, server system, and compute modules prior to version 1.59 are impacted by this specific CVE. 10 of the other flaws are classified as high severity. They can be exploited for privilege escalation via local or adjacent access, and they are caused by buffer overflows, improper input validation, improper access control, and incorrect execution assigned permissions in the file system. A lot to do with Intel. Other updates you can find. SAP releases their 2020 updates as well. You can get the link directly to there. Slack has enhanced security data controls with a lot of new features. A lot of companies use Slack. You got to check this out. Pretty cool. I've actually, when I read it yesterday, I actually implemented some of these features already within our Slack channel. And Citrix fixes critical bugs, allowing takeover of Zen mobile servers. So another critical bug. From Citrix, just folks, we deal with a ton of vulnerabilities in our line of work, And our basic blocking and tackling is patching. And I know I say that a lot, but patch. I'll make a patch song. And if you want to get in on it, just let me know. That's it for our practitioner brief here today, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in and listening. Make sure you subscribe, give us 5 stars. CyberHubPodcast.com is where you can get our practitioner briefs. Sign up to our mailing list for our practitioner brief. We have 2 different ones, folks, just in case you don't know. We've got one specifically for the practitioner brief. We have another one that's just our weekly newsletter. You get everything you want once a week in your inbox with all these briefs, our CISO Talk podcast, our Tech Corner podcast. I've got 2 new podcasts launching over the next several months that you folks are really going to enjoy. So you'll also be able to see those there as well. So make sure you subscribe and sign up. Until tomorrow, folks, we will be back with so much more to wrap up this very, very busy week, including a great tech corner with my friend Eric Crone from KnowBe4 on Friday. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet in order to get that. That'll be up on 9 a.m. on Friday, Eastern Standard Time, of course. And finally, and one last piece of advice here. We talk about deepfakes. We talk about election security. We obviously now know the tickets are set. Biden-Harris versus Trump-Pence. We're less than 90 days away, and I can tell you that in the group we're working on, we've been able to identify so many fake profiles within social media. The number is absolutely astonishing. I think it trumps 2016, no pun intended. But that's it for today. Folks, stay cyber safe.